A mom once told me, "My child isn't misbehaving, he's overwhelmed in his body." That distinction changes everything. Hi, I'm Dr. Heather from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. Nervous system dysregulation means the body struggles to shift between activation and rest. Some systems get stuck in reactivity, quick frustration, anxiety, emotional surges. Others shut down, foggy, withdrawn, disconnected. And sometimes it swings between the two. Now here's the deeper layer. Often there's a history underneath. Birth strain, injury, chronic stress, accumulated tension. When sensory input from the spine to the brain becomes distorted, what we call disafferentation, the brain organizes around that distortion, and that affects emotional regulation. Here's the hopeful part. The nervous system is plastic. It adapts. It recalibrates when input becomes clearer. At Wellspring, our focus is restoring that clarity so the brain can reorganize more efficiently. So here's something you can begin with. The next time stress rises, soften your shoulders and slow your breathing. That small shift is teaching your nervous system flexibility.